Incremental readings. So what it means to learn in SuperMemo? Obviously, SuperMemo is a learning app, right? It's not a knowledge management app. It's a learning app. Okay. But the learn in SuperMemo is about the flow. This flow. You have the learn. This button says start learning or Control L. So in other words, learn in SuperMemo means to start the learning stages. We have the outstanding material, what is the schedule for today, what is no material, we will see what it means, and the final drill. So to click on learn will be to start the outstanding or any of those three stages. Could be the case that you go strictly to the second or even to the third directly. So to learn in SuperMemo means to start the learning process in any stage, depending on what's in your collection. As easy as that. So click on learn now. Pop. What I'm seeing this now, this flashcard, because it's the first in the first I have outstanding queue, is not empty, and on that outstanding queue, the first element is this one. Then I see the answer, I read the recall, and now I see next repetition. I go to the next in the outstanding. As easy as that. We will see the entire flow with diagrams and so on. It will be a lot easier to get. Here in this video, the point is just to get the meaning of learn. Because learn is way to open. It can be anything, right? So that's all for now. See you incrementally.